everybody, it's Tiffany from The Organized Option, and I'm here today to talk to you about our Create Case number 2. So all the crafty things that you can do with your Create Case number 2. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Create Case, these bags are clear tops and sides, black bottom. They all have a handle. Most of them have a lifting ribbon. They are awesome because they're lightweight but super durable. When you're not using them, they fold up nice and flat. They're easy to store, right? All those things. They're crushable and stuffable. You are going to love them. So this is the number 2, and of course it fits in the number 1. So if you're unfamiliar, the number 1 is going to hold all 6 of the other Create Case bags. And it, of course, is designed around 12 by 12 paper, 12 by 12 projects, that type of thing. They fit nice, neat, tidy in there. You've got a lifting ribbon, so you can lift that paper out of there if you get it stuffed in. It's going to close up. Again, double zipper pull, which is one of my favorites, right? I love a double zipper on anything. So that is the number 2. How else are you going to use it? Well, let's take a look, right? So some of you might recognize this tote. They also fit into this tote really nicely. I've got 4 in there, and I could easily put in number 5 and 6 and 7, depending what they're in there, what's loaded in there. So this is loaded with fabric. Well, this is actually a quilting project. This is a great way to store up to 6 yards of, this is just regular cotton fabric, so 2 yards of each. And then I was able to put some bias tape or blanket binding and the thread. If you had instructions for the project that you wanted to work with, you could put those in there. So whether you're just storing fabric by color or by type or that type of thing, you can also store whole projects in there and keep all the bits and pieces together, right? So especially if you're a quilter and you're working with already cut pieces, pre-cut pieces, a combination of the Create Case bags might be a great way to store, organize your pre-cut pieces, and then be able to pack them all up in the number 1 bag and take it with you if you're going somewhere else to work on that sewing project. So great for fabric. What else do we have in here? Again, sewing, right? So quilting, I've got in the back here, I've got a bunch of quilting rulers, and then of course, embroidery hoops. So any soft craft that you might be doing, you're going to find that the number 2 bag is a great accessory for getting your soft crafts organized. Vinyl. So if you travel with vinyl, or you're collecting vinyl, or you're storing vinyl, look at the number 2 Create Case. It's a great way to, again, organize those things. Now, you're watching me pull them in and out of a tote bag, but you might also just have these on the shelf, right? Add a cute tag to the end, pull it off and on the shelf. You've got those things vertical. They're easy to get to, easy to pull off and on the shelf, all those simple things. And what do we have in here? Last but not least, we have got the number 2 Create Case loaded up with our basic, or 1.5-inch basic boxes. I'm going to go to my overhead for this one. So you may have already seen this before, but what's really cool about this is I can take this out of here, out of this bag easily, right? I've got it all connected together, use my creative connector, and I can put it right on the shelf. But if I'm going to travel with it, I can pop it right back into the bag. Now, I used our basic setup here of boxes, but you could easily just go with 3 or 4 of this size box, or a combination of this and this. Maybe you just want small boxes. So one of the beautiful things about the small box collection is that you can mix and match those box sizes to build exactly the system that you want in your wherever it is, in your bag, on your shelf. Now, I can literally pull this out, right? It's already labeled. It belongs on my shelf. I can pop it on your shelf. Doesn't matter if you don't have this kind of narrow shelf. You could do the same thing on this type of shelf. But then as long as you've configured it into that 12 by 12 square, you are going to be able to put it into your number 2 Create Case. So the number 2 Create Case, 13 by 13 by 1, is designed around craft supplies of all types, and you are going to absolutely love it for so many different things. There's a QR code somewhere above my head. It'll take you right to the Create Case page on our website. If you have questions, feel free to comment. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell and all those things you're supposed to do if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll talk to you soon.